Alright, okay, so we're here at Arcola, picking up Kenny's bike that he broke down yesterday because I think it's a fuel pump. So, get that sucker on this trailer, and I'm going to turn the camera over to Lexi and let her film it. We'll kind of show you how we strap stuff down and load it up, use the extendo or whatever, and you don't have to be formal like Farron can edit.
Edit my face out, Farron.
360. Alright, so if you want to know my personal thoughts, get a tri-fold ramp. It makes things so much easier. And we just strap it on there, and that's good to go. And then we'll get our straps out here, lay them out.
Oh no, I just realized that my face is all up close.
Okay, I'm gonna get it now, okay, buddy? You're a good puppy. Yes, you are. You're a good puppy. Straight as possible, so if you push from the back, we'll go right up and right into the trunk.
Can I push right here?
Yep, on the seat. That works. Alright, big push. Big push. There you go. Big push. And one more big push in there. Got it? Big push. There we go. We're straight-ish. I'm not going to get into the debate about how you want to strap stuff. This is how we do it, okay? We don't like to strap from the handlebars and compress the front forks. So what we do is we go around the bottom of the forks here. And on this particular bike, this is plastic, so you're not really going to scratch anything up. But if you had like a Harley or an Indian or something that was metal, or if you wanted to protect the plastic, you would put like a towel between there. But yeah, just put your loops around. And okay, that one's ready to go. We'll go on the other side and do the same thing. I know they strap things from handlebars for years and years and years, and nobody's had any issues, and that's great. More power to you. I have never had any issues too, and I have strapped them by the handlebars for miles and miles. This is how we do it now. Get suckers in place there. Okay, front is done. It's good. Alright, and then how I'm going to do the backs is, you can take another strap and do one on each side, that's fine. All you're really doing for the back is just stabilizing the back wheel so it doesn't bounce around. So this is how I do it. Now this wheel is super easy. All we're going to do is just slide it through there. That should be good. If you're working with spokes or something, obviously you wouldn't want to go through the wheel because you don't want to tear up the spokes, but this will be fine. One thing I didn't do that I probably should have is put it in gear, but it's fine.
You still can, right?
Yeah, you still could, but I'd have to loosen everything back up. And that's it. You really don't have to crank the heck out of it because you're just stabilizing it, and that's it. If everything's in place, you can give it a good shake. I'm pretty sure, unless the trailer flips over, we're not going anywhere.
Something a man has to say every time.
Yeah, feels good to me.
That ain't going anywhere.
Alright, and that's it. So we'll just pack everything up and get out of here. One thing I forgot to mention is always tie your straps off. You don't want to look like the dummy going down the road and your flaps are your straps are flapping everywhere and looking like an idiot. So all you do is just wrap it around, and it doesn't matter how you do it, but wrap it around somehow, tie a knot off somehow, however you want to tie a knot. And you're good to go. Do it on all your straps and you're perfect. All done.